And also I don't need to blow. I don't need to purge as many times, because what happens? What happens? Why you need to purge? Because hot smoke gets inside the base and it doesn't transfer, because the bowl gets very hot, your middle stem gets very hot, and your base also gets very hot. And definitely after 2 pulls, you would need to purge, otherwise you will get cough or you will have a choking sensation. That is very much reduced. That is very much reduced in a Savant. You can take 3 or 4 puffs without even blowing. Let me demonstrate that to you. First, let me purge it out. I took 4 puffs and definitely it is not letting me, no, there is no coughing sensation, there is no irritation in my throat that, okay, it is getting hotter and hotter. Somehow the Savant regulates it so well that the base temperature is on the bowl is appropriate and it doesn't delve down into the base.